All right, how's it going? Look, just gonna make these green beans or French beans or long beans, whatever you call them, in a tomato garlic sauce. They're really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got my French beans here, green beans, long beans, whatever you want to call them. Chopped and tailed them. I've got there's about 3 cups in total there. 3 cups of tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato if you can. A cup of onion. I've cut mine really small, you don't have to do that. And I've got quite a lot of garlic there. There's about 2 tablespoons of garlic, but you can reduce that down. Teaspoon each, salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin. We're gonna start this off with some olive oil. So like I say, I'm using olive oil. You could use a different oil if you want. I've got about 3 tablespoons in there. In goes the 1 cup of onion and quite a large amount of garlic. Reduce that down if you want. I just like that in there. Above medium heat, 4 to 5 minutes. And then simply we're going to drop in the fresh tomatoes. We're going to add the salt, pepper, chili powder. So we can see that those tomatoes are broken down beautifully. Let's grab our French beans or our green beans and get them in. And just for 2 minutes, just throw them around in the pan. And then simply 250 ml of water. We're going to lower this down. It's fairly high at the moment. We're going to lower it down, let it go for about 6 or so minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. If you want a little bit of cilantro or coriander in there, or even some chopped fresh mint is beautiful. Check that for salt. For me, that's done. Easy. Job done, nice and easy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.